Welcome to part 3 of Sybiz Vision Development, building your first application using the Sybiz Vision API. If you're just coming straight into part 3, my suggestion is you watch part 1 and 2 first. In this session we're going to be writing some code to create an invoice and then view that invoice in a simple history list. Okay, let's go. And also we'll be basing it from the already existing project. And so I'm not going to recreate all that code again. We'll just start where we're at. Okay, so here we go. So first, so if I run the application that we've got here at the moment, you would have seen from the last video, I can select a customer and I can view customer invoices. And here's one on this one. And if I come to this other customer, he would have none. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go and write a little bit of code to create a simple little invoice. Okay. And I've got a bit of code already created, so I'll go grab the snippet and pop it in. And I'll go through it with you. Okie doke. So in the Sybiz Vision Platform debtors transaction, there's a sales invoice object. We create a new object, just passing nothing in there. Then with the header, being the sales invoice, I set the customer. There would be some other properties, but we've got most of them set automated, like the auto number generation, and the date would be filled out by default. There's no other fields that are required. Then the line where we do an add new, I set the account type to be IC, the account 1, analysis code 1, a charge $100, and then I process the transaction. Now, the transaction will only process if the object is valid. I just happen to know with this bit of code that the object's valid. Alright? If before you wanted to do, and you had some code, you wanted to go and check that everything was valid, you would write some code like so. You would simply say, if header dot broken rules collection dot count is greater than 0, you would iterate through the broken rules and say, I've got some broken rules, and I could say message box show I have broken rules. Okay. Exit. Okay. Otherwise it's perfectly okay, and away we go. You might want to just be doubly sure and go and check all the lines as well. So you'd need to go and iterate through the lines and check that there are no broken rules in there as well. And if everything's okay, you should be able to process the transaction. Okay. So now that I've got that code in there, if I go and run this again, we'll go select this cash sales customer. We'll go view the invoices, none there. I'll go create a standard invoice. Invoice created. I'll go and view the customer invoices, and now I have the invoice there ready to go. That's all there is to it. So accessing your data and using your objects to go create objects, using the Sybiz Vision platform classes to go and create the objects, that's how you access and do all your work. Okay? That should be pretty much about it. Hope you enjoyed the series. Thanks. Bye.